In this video, I'm here to do a review on this bamboo board. And the reason why I decided to get it is because I was struggling when I was doing my bracelets. When you have a bracelet that has a design in the middle but something different all around the sides, you cannot start here. So that makes it more complicated to, you have to kind of put the middle beads here and then start adding as you go. But with this here, you can go ahead and start your bracelet here. So what you do is you put one of the ends and then you secure that. This makes it a lot easier. Okay, so you secure that. That's already secure. And I want to make a 7-inch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do the middle first. So this is what I want to do. When you do a bracelet that has all the beads the same, it doesn't matter. But this is because I wanted to do a design that goes in the middle. So you just kind of do the middle first. And it makes it a lot easier. Also, I've been doing little bracelets for kids, and I really like that I can have the measurements. Okay, you also have this, you have 8, 7, 6, 5, 5.5, 6.25, 6.5, 7.5, and you have this long one as well. It has 10 inches. So that's what I want in the middle. And then the rest of them, I want to see if I have enough of these ones here. So what you do is you just go around and add your other beads. So at this point you can move and change as you see fit. So because I don't have enough of any of both of the designs, I'm just gonna play with it. So that's what helps. This helps you to do that. And if you were to put them in here, you will have to undo your piece. Okay. So that's my 7 inches plus the closure. So at this point, you basically just start from here and you just start putting your beads inside. So you can make more in your time so that you can use your time wisely. This helps you make them faster. I'm going to be putting in the description box the links of the items that I'm using, including this wire. So you just go down to the description and click it. Okay. See how easy and simple? So now you just go ahead and add your other end. And I'm going to open it wide because this is the side where you close everything out and make it tight. And if you don't open it, it's going to be hard to press this piece. So here we go. You can make all those different sizes. So you just go in here, put it down, and press on it. So here's your bracelet ready to be finished. So I hope you like this video. If you do like my content, if you can like, share, and follow, I would really appreciate it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.